how to log into Fire Kirin on your PC. In this video, we will walk you through the easy way to access your Fire Kirin account on your computer. For your kind information, since Fire Kirin is an Android game, we need an emulator to run it on your PC. For that, you have to download an emulator. One of the popular and user-friendly one is BlueStack, and I'm using that. So let's start the video. I'm already inside BlueStack's app player, and this is how it looks like. If you don't know how to download BlueStack and even Fire Kirin on your PC, we have also made a video on that. Now let's enter the topic. You can see a search bar over here. Tap on it. Go to Google Play Store. So I already have downloaded Fire Kirin on my PC. However, due to privacy setting, I didn't show it directly by opening the app. So let's try it from here. Now tap on the search bar at the left. Tap on it. Then tap Fire Kirin over here. As I said earlier, I already have downloaded Fire Kirin on my PC. Now tap on play. Now we can see two options over here. First option is sign in with Facebook and second one is play as a guest. So if you are just exploring this app, you can play as a guest and see if you like it or not. And if you want to log in, you can use this sign in with the Facebook button. Tap on it. Now enter your Facebook details. After selecting your Facebook account, you can see this type of interface. Tap on continue as and your name. Tap on it. And just like that, you have logged in into the Fire Kirin app on your PC. Remember to always log out of your account when you are done using it to ensure your account's security. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.